you doing tonight? We're gonna get crafty with this black arch. Sorry about the glare, but I'm crafting and standing at my kitchen island tonight. When we're done, I'll take a photo and show you guys why, because my craft room is a hot mess express. We're gonna craft tonight with the October Club. It's so pretty. I love it. Use so much. So the club now comes with an additional accessory each month at no additional charge. So this is the accessory, and it's basically the center, obviously, for this transfer. So, all right. So like I said, this is the surface that we're gonna use. I'm taking off, this is 2 different pieces. It's the black arch. It also comes in a white arch. I have mine with a Halloween project on it. So we're just gonna use this surface. This surface is reusable. The key word for tonight is going to be club, because at some point I'm gonna explain to you guys all the perks, all the goodness. So stick around for a little bit. This is the monthly club. This is an exclusive transfer. You can only get it if you're in the club. And like I said, it comes with an additional accessory. It also comes with 3 paste packets. I don't use paste packets very often because I have the jars, but these are the 3 colors that this month's club comes with. This is Cadet. Blue is Cadet. It's a really good Americana themed color as well. This is Bark. It's a brown. And this is Shimmer Copper. I'm not using all of these colors because, well, I'm gonna craft for myself. Good, okay, back on track here. So these are the 3 colors that come in the paste packets with the exclusive transfer. I'm not using all of these because I'm crafting for myself and for my home tonight. So I'm gonna show you what I am gonna craft with. Look at all of this goodness. This is the Cadet, I'm using it. This yellow is Saffron. It's one of the newest Chalkology paste colors. This is Forest. It's a gorgeous green, amazing for fall and Christmas projects. This is Rust, and this right here, this beauty, is this month's color of the month, Chalkology paste, and it is called Napa. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wine color, dark burgundy. It's while supplies last, so if you're interested, let me know. But those are the colors I'm gonna work with. So I'm also gonna use a little bit of black and a little bit of white, but we'll throw that in. So okay. So if you are so inclined, sprinkle the love out with all of your other crafty friends. If you're in groups or whatever, I would greatly appreciate it. It shows Facebook that you know, people might want to see my stuff. So I'm going to lower the camera and focus on the actual project here. Transfer. I haven't used it yet, so I am going to fuzz it. Fuzzing does nothing more but remove a little bit of the stickiness off of the silkscreen. These are reusable silkscreen transfers, and you can use them 10, 12, 15 times if you take care of it. So again, I'm just using this fuzzing cloth to remove a little bit of the stickiness, and then I'm gonna lay it down on my surface. So little pointer, this surface that we're using, this base right here, see this little lip? You always want to make sure if you are crafting on one of these surfaces that you leave the room for that, because what happens is this slides into this surface. Maybe if I can get it in there. I'll just shoot it and show you. See how that sets? So you always want to give enough if you're using like a full surface. Just wanted to point that out for you. So what we're gonna do is lay it down, basically spread it out. I see a little air bubble. You don't want an air bubble. There's probably something on my fuzzing cloth. You don't want air bubbles because then the chalk paste that you apply will splat and you don't want slats. So I'm going to do the frame basically of this in white. I'm going to use, this is a detail tool. This is to stir the chalk paste, gets around the lip, and then this is just for, you know, chalk paste to dry in the silk screen, right? So, because if what happens is if it dries in the silk screen, when you go to pull it up, then it doesn't release the chalk paste. So what I'm gonna do is pull this up and release that chalk paste and then just put it back down. What do you think? So far, so good, right? Throw me some hearts if you like what you see.